How to save Claude AI chat as a PDF. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and then open Claude AI. Claude AI does not really give you the option to export the chat as a PDF. However, if you still want to do so, then what you can do is simply go ahead and highlight the portion of the chat that you want to save as PDF and then tap on your keyboard and select the keys that says Command or P or Control P, which simply means the print command. Once you have your print command, as you can see here, go to the destination tab and then select the Save as PDF option you see there, and finally tap on the Save button. Now, go ahead and select your destination and then tap on Save again. And now, if you go ahead and open the file that you just downloaded, as you can see, the conversation has been saved as PDF. So this was about how you can save Claude AI conversation as PDF. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.